Okay, so the Suzuki's here. Woohoo! In the new unit, I better not tap because Ryan tells me off because he can't hear the sound, apparently. So, sound check. Checking the sound, checking the sound, checking the sound when I'm this way, checking the sound. Still checking the sound. I'm going to hide behind this truck and see if you can still see me. And checking the sound, see if the sound's still working when I'm doing this. Listen to this. Oh yeah. Checking the sound. Sound check. Sound check, checking it out. Checking the sound. Okay, so the Suzuki's here. We're here. We've got electric. We've got light. Let's work on the Suzuki. Original floor mats. My old RX3. What a car. Right, now it's time to remind myself what actually needs doing and where we need to start. So we're going to take stock of the car again. I think we're going to start here. What we're going to do is we're going to look at this section. This basically, it's a seam, overlap seam that the rust has pushed apart basically like this. So we've got a wobbly panel here, I've got pinholes. Same's about happening here. Pushing the panel out, no pinholes, but we've also got a little bit of repair here and also this corner to sort out. So I think that's possibly where we're going to start. bent it the wrong way. Right, so we've done this section. This is all welded in, it's seam welded, and we've stepped back so that this panel could come over the top. Could have been done with a jobler, but ours broke. So we just did it with a bender and an hammer. Right, so now we're going to make this section and get that welded in as well.
That's going to be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching.
The LJ80 is now in prime spot, so catch us in our next video where we're going to continue with this side, we're going to finish this wing, and we're going to crack on with this bonnet.
We're now at 1,000 subscribers and 100,000 video views, so thanks very much for that. Leave your comments and your thoughts down below. Smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, click that bell notification icon so it notifies you whenever we drop an upload. Click here to subscribe, click here for LJ's playlist,
And click here for more of our content.
with that being said, we will catch you in the next one.
It's a wrap!